Hello everyone, I am Vishal Jain. I secured All India Rank 7 in CMA Final examination. I have taken classes of paper number 18, that is the Indirect Taxation and Custom, from Vishal Bhattad sir, and had achieved such a wonderful result just because of the efforts of the sir. Although the syllabus of GST is very vast, but with the teaching style of Vishal sir, it makes us easy to cover everything in the minimum time. Another best part of the classes of the sir is the revision system that is provided by the sir that makes us easy to revise and recall each and every aspect of the GST. Yet another interesting part of the classes of the sir is the chart book. The mind-blowing chart book that covers each and every point, and it's a kind of a glimpse of the whole of the act. The classes that are provided by the sir with the questionnaire and the revision classes and lastly the chart book, it's a perfect blend to crack this exam. Thank you so much sir for providing me support and guiding me throughout the learning process. I'm really very helpful for your all time and kind support. This result is all dedicated to your effort. Thank you so much sir.